Hey everybody, it's Ross here from Tait Real Estate. I was out cleaning the dryer vent here and we thought we would do a quick video on whether to cover or not cover your air conditioning unit for the winter. Some people do, some people don't. When you talk to the manufacturers, it's a toss-up. Some will say you should and some will say you shouldn't, but most of the heating and air conditioning guys that I've talked to have basically said the only reason you need to cover it, if at all, is to keep any of the dirt and dust out in the fall and in the spring when the unit's not working. You don't really need to worry about snow getting in there because these are designed to have water and they get rain on them all the time, and so the moisture is not really the issue. But this does help keep them cleaner, gets that dirt in the fall and in the spring, stops it from going in there. One thing you might want to do though, if you've got a lockout on yours, which most do, it's probably a good idea to take it out, take this inside, and that way in the spring, if you forget and it gets a warm day, you don't turn your air conditioning on and it starts it with this being covered, because you definitely won't want that to happen. So take this off first thing in the spring and then replace the lockout, and you're good to go.